How to set up Face ID on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and Passcode. If you have a passcode, first enter your passcode. And okay guys, sir, in Face ID and Passcode, you can see the setup Face ID. Okay, you can tap this. And now you can set up the Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angle of your face. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the Get Started button. Okay, so turn around your face to scan completely. First Face ID scan complete. So okay, you can tap the Continue for the second one. Okay, move your head slowly to complete the circle. And second Face ID scan complete. And Face ID is now set up. Okay, you can tap the Done button and we have successfully set up the Face ID on iPhone X.